All right, before you insert the cannula for the patient in room 12, just be aware she's got a history of poor venous access. Last week, 3 attempts failed before they switched to ultrasound guidance.
Oh, that's good to know, Mihira. Should I try the forearm first?
Normally, yes, but in her case, I'd avoid the left forearm altogether. That arm's post-mastectomy, so lymphatic drainages compromised risk of lymphedema if we cannulate there.
Right, I remember now. What about her right hand?
That's where it gets tricky. She's got an old cannula site there, recently removed, and mild phlebitis noted. So, best to avoid that area too.
So, Mihira, we're left with the antecubital fossa on the right?
Ideally, yes. But try a warm compress first to dilate the vein. And if it still doesn't look promising, ask the registrar about a guided attempt. We don't want multiple failed insertions again. It stressed her out last time.
Understood. Thanks for the heads up. It is wonderful to see how deeply you care about providing the absolute best start for your little one, Mihira. Breastfeeding is such a beautiful, natural journey, but it is also a learned skill that takes time, patience, and a lot of practice for both you and your baby. From a health standpoint, your breast milk is nothing short of a miracle. It is custom-made for your baby, providing the perfect balance of proteins, fats, and vitamins that change dynamically as your infant grows. Beyond pure nutrition, it offers powerful immune support, delivering essential antibodies that act like your baby's very first vaccines, shielding them from common infections and illnesses. Just as importantly, the skin-to-skin contact during feeding releases hormones that lower stress for you both, fostering a profound, lifelong emotional bond. Mihira, to make this experience as smooth as possible, learning proper feeding techniques is incredibly important. Mastering a deep latch ensures comfort for you, which is vital because breastfeeding should never be a painful ordeal. Proper positioning actively prevents sore, cracked, or damaged nipples, allowing you to enjoy these quiet moments rather than dreading them. Furthermore, a correct technique ensures effective milk transfer, meaning your baby empties the breast efficiently, gets plenty of hind milk to stay full and gain weight, and naturally signals your body to keep up a robust milk supply. You are doing an amazing job, and taking the time to learn these techniques will help ensure this special bond remains a comfortable, joyful, and deeply rewarding experience for you both.